Hello and welcome. In today's video we are going to be removing the Renault Koleos H45 rear bumper. You'll need to open the upper tailgate, and then when you open the lower tailgate, to the sides of the bumper there are two clips on each side of the bumper that you'll need to remove. One to the bottom and one to the top. And then you'll need to do the same thing for the other side. For the next step, the wheels are still on the vehicle, so this can be done with the wheels still on. I'm going to show you, starting with the right rear side. There are three clips over here that you'll need to remove, and one 10mm bolt towards the top. So go ahead and remove all three clips. Keep in mind they can break, like this one over here. And you're going to do this exact process for the other side, which I'm not going to show completely, as it is the same thing. So now that we have removed all three of the clips, we'll need to remove this 10mm nut over here, which you can also access. And then to the bottom, there is another 10mm nut that we will need to remove over here. And that is detaching the guard liner from the rear bumper, and also we've detached the bumper from the car on this side only. Now you can gently pull this side out, and we will leave it as is for now. And we will do the bottom. There are two clips, one over here. There's only clips to the bottom that hold the bumper in place to the bottom. And then next, as I said, we're going to the other side, and we're going to again remove the three clips, the one 10mm nut to the top and one 10mm nut to the bottom. And then you can pull the bumper off. If there are sensors and lights, you'll need to unplug. It can get stuck onto the tow bar if the vehicle has a tow bar. So keep that in mind. And just as you go, pull the bumper out. So as you can see, it's coming off. I'm just going to show you that it comes off, and then where it gets stuck on the tow bar to the bottom, and you'll just need to lift the bottom part of the bumper up a little bit to so over here you'll just need to lift it upwards, and then you can slide it out. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to support the channel.